our next topic discussion is lungs. Okay, first of all, where the lungs is located in location. Location of lungs. Lungs are located on either sides of the heart. So here heart is present. On either sides of the heart, a pair of lungs are present. A pair of lungs are located on either sides of the heart. Okay, so either sides of the heart or chest cavity. Either sides of the heart or chest cavity. Chest cavity. Either sides of the heart or chest cavity. So that is location. Next, nature. Nature of lungs. Lungs is elastic. Lungs is spongy and elastic nature. See, elastic, sponge, like expansion. Come to closer. Expansion, contraction, relaxation, contraction, relaxation, contraction, relaxation. Nature. So the lungs nature is spongy and elastic in nature. Next, membranes. Membranes. The lungs is covered by two membranes, outer membrane and inner membrane. The lungs is covered by two membranes. See here, I will draw the diagram and follow that. See, trachea, it is larynx, left lung, right lung, left lung, right lung, right lung, left lung. See, you also drawing them. Right lung is larger than left lung. There is a reason I will say that. So, right lung. So, membranes. The lungs are covered by two membranes. Outer membrane. This is outer membrane. Outer membrane. Outer membrane and inner. Outer membrane and inner membrane. So, these two membranes are called pleura. Outer membrane and inner membrane. These two membranes are called pleura. So, this is filled with a fluid. This is filled with a fluid. This is filled with a fluid. This outer membrane and inner membrane. These two membranes are called pleura. So, in between outer and inner membrane, there is a space that is called pericardium. There is a space. That space is filled with a fluid that is called perifluid. Perifluid. Okay. So So outer membrane and inner membrane, these two membranes are called pleura. So the space between the two membranes called space, this space filled with fluid, that is called perifluid. So this perifluid protect the lungs from the shocks and injuries. Suddenly, if he fell down from the bike or cycle or while you are playing, so maximum nothing happens to our lungs because there is a fluid. So this is the space. This is present. This space filling the fluid. The fluid gives protection to the lungs from the shocks and absorbs. Any electrical shock occurs. At that moment, nothing happens to our lungs. Okay, so this is called outer and inner space. Outer space and inner space. This is called pleura, pleural membranes. These pleural membranes filled with the fluid. Pleural fluid. This pleural fluid. Pleural fluid. Perifluid or pleural fluid. Pleural fluid. Pleural fluid. Pleural fluid. This pleural fluid protects the lungs from shocks and injuries. Okay. Next one is lobes. See, the right lung is larger than the left lung. So see, if you observe if you observe the lungs diagram, right lung little bit larger. Right lung is larger. Left lung is smaller. Then right lung, left lung is smaller. So because right lung has 1, 2, 3, 3 lobes. Right lung has three lobes. Right lung has 3 lobes, whereas left lung has 2 lobes. 2 lobes. Okay, that's lobes. Next, chambers. Chambers. See, this is lung. The lung consists of several thousands of chambers, several thousands of small chambers. Those chambers are called alveoli. Alveoli. Several thousands of alveoli is plural. Alveolus. Alveolus is single. See, so I am able to draw those many. Some few I will draw to show you. Like this, several thousands of small chambers. Several thousands of small chambers are present. 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 Those chambers are called alveoli. Each alveolus. So each alveolus is connected to the bronchioles and blood capillaries. See, from the heart, here heart will be present. From the heart, pulmonary artery divides into several arterioles and connected to the lungs. So see, this is pulmonary artery. So when it is connected to the lungs, it will be divided into several blood capillaries. Like this, several small capillaries, several small number of capillaries. So these are all the capillaries is connected to all the alveolus, all the alveoli. Okay, so while from the heart, deoxygenated blood passes through the pulmonary artery and reaches to the lungs. In the walls of the lungs, this pulmonary artery divides, redivides and forms several capillaries, blood capillaries, several blood capillaries. So those capillaries is from exterior, it is connected to alveoli. These are all connected to alveoli. Every alveoli which is located in the lungs. So from this direction, this is primary bronchi, secondary bronchi, tertiary bronchi. Tertiary bronchi again divides, okay, see here. So primary bronchi, secondary bronchi. It is again tertiary bronchi. Next, this tertiary bronchi divides, redivides and forms primary bronchiole, secondary bronchiole, tertiary bronchiole, and the respiratory bronchioles. Okay, these are all the bronchioles connected to, like this, thousand, millions will be there, millions will be there, millions. So millions are there, millions. So millions. So these tertiary bronchioles is connected to all the alveoli. So from this direction, connected to alveoli. From this direction, blood capillaries. Okay, each alveolus is connected to the bronchioles and blood capillaries. Through bronchioles, see here, this is larynx, trachea, bronchi, bronchioles, etc. So from upside, oxygen reached to the alveoli. In the alveoli, already before oxygen coming from the heart, here heart is from the heart, deoxygenated blood is entered. Okay, so the purification of blood occurs in the lungs. That means purification means deoxygenated blood becomes oxygenated in the lungs. Okay, from the exterior, nostrils, nostril chamber, internal layers, larynx, trachea, bronchi, bronchioles, through them. Yesterday, day before yesterday, we have discussed. The order you should write the same sequence. Should not make it up and down. Okay, nostrils, nasal chambers, internal layers, larynx, pharynx, larynx, bronchi, bronchioles, alveolus. See, 9 parts sequentially we have to write. So, through these several bronchioles, oxygen, 21% of atmospheric oxygen entered into all the alveolus, all the alveoli. In the alveoli, already what was there? Deoxygenated blood was there. Deoxygenated blood is there. That deoxygenated blood becomes oxygenated. The deoxygenated blood becomes oxygenated. So, when the deoxygenated blood becomes oxygenated, immediately pulmonary vein, immediately here from all the alveoli, pulmonary vein collects oxygenated blood and transported into the lungs. Okay, transported into the heart. Okay, so that is the explanation. So this is the chambers. So alveoli is the structural and functional unit of the lungs. Structural and functional unit of the lungs means what? So this alveoli only structure and performs function to the lungs. The proper structure of the lungs depends upon alveoli. The proper function of the lungs depends upon alveoli. That's why the alveoli is the structural and functional unit of the. In the vertebrates, in the lungs of the vertebrates, several thousands of small chambers are present. Those chambers are called alveoli or air sacs. So these alveoli is covered by epithelial membrane, thin epithelial membrane. Okay, this is the explanation about the lungs. See here, lungs are located in the chest cavity, in thoracic region, below the thoracic cavity region. So, lungs are protected on all sides and accommodated very safely. So, lungs protected. This is ventral region. So, on ventral side, lungs is protected. This is thoracic chamber, thoracic cavity. It is sternum. I will say sternum. It is a thoracic cavity. Thoracic cavity. It is a thoracic cavity. It is a sternum. Okay, lungs are protected ventrally by thoracic cavity, sternum. Downside by actually in our body. Like this way. This is what? Dome. Here, dome. So U-shaped, reverse U-shaped or dome-shaped muscle, that is called diaphragm. Diaphragm, dome-shaped part, that is called diaphragm. Dome-shaped. So lower the posting, lower side. Okay, so posting. Anterior, this is anterior, it is posterior. Okay, anterior side thoracic cavity, thoracic chamber. Posterior region U-shaped or reverse U-shaped or dome-shaped diaphragm. It protects lungs from downside. Upside here, what would be there? Thoracic cavity. Ventral side, sternum. Ventral lower side, diaphragm. What about sides? Sides, rib cage, bony rib cage. So this is expansion. Expand, relax. Contract, relax. Contract, relax. Contract, relax. So these are side ribs. These are side ribs. Left, right ribs. Left ribs, right ribs. Front, thoracic cavity, sternum. Lower side, diaphragm. This is ventral. Dorsal side, dorsal vertebral column. Lungs are protected on all sides. Dorsal side, dorsal vertebral column. Ventral side, thoracic cavity, sternum, and lower side, diaphragm, and left side, side ribs. These are all the parts protect the lungs very safely. This is the explanation about lungs. So this diagram, in this part we have to draw all alveoli. Okay, it is right lung, left lung, bronchioles, alveolus. Okay, so if you follow diagram, you can understand that. Okay, next topic is respiration in humans involves several steps. Respiration in humans involves several steps, which are tools. First one is breathing. Breathing. Pulmonary ventilation. Pulmonary ventilation. Breathing. Breathing or pulmonary ventilation. See here, the atmospheric air is air with 21% of oxygen is entered into the lungs through respiratory parts. In the alveolar sac is rich in carbon dioxide, which is expelled out through respiratory part. That is called breathing or pulmonary ventilation. Pulmonary ventilation. The respiration which occurs through lungs is called pulmonary respiration. Pulmonary ventilation. Pulmonary respiration. In which what happened? Atmospheric air is rich with 21% of oxygen. That oxygen is entered. Oxygen is entered. At that moment, in each alveolus, in the lungs, each alveolus rich in carbon dioxide and sent out. That is called breathing or pulmonary ventilation. Diffusion of gases. Next, diffusion of gases occurs across the alveolar membrane, across alveolar membrane. Diffusion of gases. Not only diffusion of gases means what? Oxygen. This is I am drawing here. Here I am drawing oxygen, carbon dioxide. Diffusion of gases. Breathing is commonly called respiration. Okay. Okay. That's all. Okay. Diffusion of gases occurs across the alveolar membrane. Gases. Transmission of gases occurs by blood. Occurs by blood. Occurs by blood. Transfusion of gases. Transfusion of gases occurs by blood. Transfusion. So transfer of gases occurs by blood. Here, oxygen entered into the alveoli. In the alveoli, blood is present. It is mixed with that. Through pulmonary vein, it enters into the lungs. From the lungs, pulmonary vein. Through pulmonary vein, oxygenated blood enters into the heart. From the heart, blood is supplied to the body. So that is called transfusion of gases. Transfusion of gases means what? So blood is mixed with the oxygen is mixed with the blood. So through the blood, oxygen is supplied throughout the body. So throughout the body, utilizes oxygen and releases carbon dioxide. And again, the carbon dioxide is entered into the blood. That blood is entered into the heart. From the heart, the blood again entered into the lungs for purification. That is called transfusion of gases by blood. Next, diffusion of oxygen and carbon dioxide. Diffusion of oxygen and carbon dioxide occurs by blood and tissues. Oxygen is entered into the blood. The blood circulates oxygen throughout our body cells, even up to here. Here also oxygen comes, utilizes and releases carbon dioxide. So it is one tissue only. The oxygen and the carbon dioxide by the blood and tissues. By the blood up to here. Here tissue utilizes and releases carbon dioxide. The carbon dioxide by blood it reaches to heart. From the heart to lungs for purification. Like that. Diffusion of oxygen and carbon dioxide by blood and tissues. Last and final, utilization. Utilization of oxygen for catabolism. Utilization of oxygen. Utilization of oxygen for catabolic reactions. Utilization of oxygen. Utilization of oxygen for catabolic reactions by the cells and produces water and ATP. Water and heat energy. Heat energy is in the form of ATP. That is called cellular respiration. Each and every cell will take oxygen. Utilizes oxygen by the cell for catabolic. Catabolism means destruction of food material. So as the destruction of food material, what releases? First H2O releases. Then ATP. ATP for cellular respiration. So these are all the processes takes place in our body. So respiration involves following steps: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 steps. Through these 5 steps in our body, exchange of gases. Okay, so that's it. So some members sent doubts. That's we will see.